Eki kikozirwe kwenda kuhwera abarwaire okutambura engyendo ndingwa barikuza kuronda obuheereza bw'eshagama okuruga ah'eirwariro rya Kabale Regional Referral Hospital. Ekyoma eki kiihibweho izooba rya nyabazyo ahakuru omu disitulikiti ya Rubanda kandi kiihibweho omuhandiiki wa banka ya Uganda kandi orikukora eby'okushuganisa emirimo ya banka. Arikuheerezaho ekyoma kanyemibwa naagira ngu ekyoma kikashabwa ori minisita w'eby'esente ahabw'ogunaguri kandi ari omu nyeshengyero wa Rubanda East Honorable Henry Ariganyira Musaasizi kanyemibwa naagira ngu ekyoma nikiza kuhweraho abantu boona okutunga obuheereza bw'eshagama bwa haihi na munonga abakazi abarikuzaara hamwe n'abo abakuba batungire oburemeezi bwaho n'aho.
Eshonga eri kugira ngu twine ekyoma ningashi fridge eky'okugibikamu. Mbwenu twagizeho omugisha Bank of Uganda yatuha ekyoma ekyo kandi ekyoma ekyo kiragendera amaani ga solar ningashi amashanyarazi g'omushana kiramanyisa ngu amashanyarazi gaba tigariho kyo kiraza kuguma kirakora. Kiraza kutuyamba munonga kugira ngu abakazi baitu n'abandi bantu boona baretaaga eshagama muri Rwanda district twashobora kubasindika Kabale. Turamanya ngu on average turasindika abakazi barahika nka 15-20.
Kanyemibwa yashaba abakuru b'eirwariro okureebuka ngu ekyoma eki ekyaheebwa kyakora omurimo gukishemereire kukora n'okuyamba abantu boona.
Kandi nabo nashemererwa munonga kureba Dr. Buyana agamba ekyoma hati the facilities that we gave are being put in place. Kandi tukimanyira nka as statistics. So when we come here and they tell us the number of patients that have come through this health center, and just because of the donation that the central bank gave, that gives us a mileage as a central bank. Habwa kichemeza n'ekyo kugira ngu abantu bita kusavinga on communities, they are living a healthy life.
Minisita Henry Musaasizi yashemererwa abokutunga ekyoma eki kandi yagira ngu kiza kuyamba kihango aha abarwaire ababaire nibaza ah'eirwariro rikuru erya Kabale.
Advocate for better health services for our people in this place and also in Uganda. The third one is education. We must make sure that our children are able to access quality and affordable education. And to achieve this, we have ensured that all our parishes in this place have got primary schools.
Minisita Henry Musaasizi yasima ba Bank of Uganda ahabw'okugumana ebijuko okukwata aha mukono ebyanga okukira munonga omu by'amagara.
It is also important to always look back and think about the conditions our people in the communities live in. I therefore would like to appreciate you, extend my sincere gratitude to the Governor for the support you have given not only here but also 13 health facilities which you have served.
Hamurwa Health Center 4 ni Center 4 emwe mu district omu kandi yaroye rwa level ya kana azabe ngo rwa level ya kana cyacyo amase mwende kushemeza kandi twahitaga neshagama eka mu barwire ekabata neshagama.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Jimmy Emmanuel abwa Tayari West agenshonga.
For the last 4 years the country were number 2 for the